Hi everybody. Everybody knows Cristiano Ronaldo. Yes, he wears number 7 and his wife's name is Georgina Rodriguez, but the surname is now Ronaldo. And everybody knows he plays soccer and he's very good. That is his habitat and he's very talented. He has skills, he has dribbling, he has shoot. Yes, everybody knows he is a powerful shot that he gets sometimes red, yellow, he cards. But who cares? He's the most popular person in soccer. If you are a Messi fan, you must not see this video. If you are a Ronaldo fan, hit like and subscribe. See.